Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to see 10 lines on library. Libraries are a hub of knowledge and information. They provide access to countless books and resources. Librarians help users find the books they need. Libraries are quiet places for reading and studying. You can borrow books from a library for free. Many libraries now offer e-books and digital content. They often host events like book clubs and lectures. Libraries are essential for students and researchers. They encourage a love for reading and learning. Libraries are like a treasure chest of stories and facts. Thanks for watching. Please share, like and subscribe my channel.